Welcome to this new Just Have a Walk video. Whether you're planning a city trip to Bruges, or simply enjoy virtual city tours, this city walk is made for you. This walking tour showcases 7 captivating street art pieces scattered across 2 city districts in Bruges. The first 4 works are located in the wider vicinity of the Zand, while the remaining 3 can be found on the opposite side of the market square. Despite being spread across the city centre, all artworks are within walking distance, as Bruges' compact layout makes for a pleasant stroll. We begin near the concert hall with a piece by Jams, located at the Hooistraat. The artist behind this graffiti is Jeremiah Persyn, also known as Jeremiah Jams Jameson. A Bruges local, Jams is a multifaceted artist renowned for his street art. Beyond graffiti, he also works on canvas with recycled materials, and as a comic artist and illustrator for children's books. A short walk away, in the Fountain Street, we encounter the first work by Wietse. I will share more about this artist later during this tour, when we view another one of his pieces toward the end of this tour. We stay near the concert hall, but this time at the far end of the Zand Square, to the left of the concert hall. Here, we find Dance of Fools, a piece symbolizing the 4 seasons by STS Jasta, the pseudonym of Stan Slabbinck. Inspired by a wide array of sources, Slabbinck often incorporates a socially critical note into his work. His central message: respect nature. The 4th piece is still in the vicinity of the concert hall. Heading to the other side of the Zand, we leave the concert hall behind and arrive at the Santpoortje, or Sand Gate. Here, we find a work by Strook, Stefaan De Croock. This piece, titled Legendz, was created using wooden planks from an old Bruges monastery, maintaining the original colors of the wood. The artwork gazes out over the Zand. Our route now takes us through the shopping streets to the market square, continuing on to the Mill Bride, where we'll discover the remaining 3 artworks. Close to the Mill Bride, at Prediker en Rij, or Preacher's Row, we find the second work by Wietse. This Bruges-based artist creates striking contrasts in his pieces, often employing either black and white or vibrant colors. His inspirations stem from 3 elements: historical patterns, nature, and travel. Wietse's work has a global reach, with pieces exhibited from Vietnam to Brazil, and from Argentina to Portugal. For him, anything can serve as a canvas. Our penultimate stop is in the Hooistraat, or Hay Street, where we find a piece by Kitsune Jolene, Jolien de Waele, a street artist from Ghent. Kitsune is known for her focus on realism and her vivid use of color to depict portraits, flora, and fauna. Her work draws inspiration from universal and visceral emotions, nature, and mythology. The final artwork of this tour is located in the Rodestraat. Here, we admire another piece by STS Jasta, titled Equality, the Black Swan. This concludes our street art tour of Bruges. From the bold expressions of local talent to globally inspired pieces, this walk offers a glimpse into the vibrant world of urban art within the historic city centre. course, there are more street art pieces to admire outside the Bruges city centre, such as this work by Gijs Vanhee on Benoitlaan. However, in this video, I chose to focus on works within walking distance that can easily be combined with other activities in the city centre. What else can I share with you about this artist? Gijs's first passion, drawing and creating, has been a consistent thread in his designs for many years. His narrative drawings often feature birds as central characters, reflecting themes of surfing and the pursuit of freedom that run through his work. I hope you enjoyed this art walk on a cloudy day, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Did you enjoy this video? Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. After subscribing, feel free to use the footage in your own videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.